Hi, I'm Brian King at King Law Offices, and we're going through a series of trying to understand what's the DNA of King Law. What are we built from? And as we go through this, one of the things that I think is so important is the scoreboard. Now, attorneys are naturally competitive with each other, but everybody wants to know, how am I doing? I remember one of my very first jobs in law, I didn't know how well I was performing. I didn't know if what I was doing was really affecting the bottom line. I didn't know if I was making my salary back or if I was doing overwork. And it made it very frustrating to practice law. And I felt like it is so important that everybody has a number and understands what it is that what's expected of me when I'm doing well, when I'm doing above board, or even if I'm not making the standard of what is expected from me. And that led us to the idea of a scoreboard. And it's so important, I think, to be transparent. So everybody at the firm knows how much partners are making, how much I'm making for the firm in terms of billing, all the way down to the brand new associate. It's important to be able to say, like, okay, where am I? How do I fit into this? Am I reaching my goals? And we put that together to where it's on your dashboard, where every attorney, every case manager knows exactly what their goals are. They can look at it, and it's broken down all the way down to the daily basis. Am I getting what I need to be done today? And that scoreboard has expanded over time. Now it's things like, well, how many clients did I see? How many potential clients did I see? How many of those potential clients did I convert into an actual client? That's all about building up a scoreboard. And we do that and we send it out on a weekly basis. Now, this isn't in a way to embarrass people or anything else. In fact, I don't think that happens. It's a way to call out and be able to say, hey, these are people who are doing well, and here's where I think that we need to have you. And the scoreboard should never be this is the value of the person or this is what they got done. It's just a place to start asking questions like, oh my gosh, a lot of money came in under that person's name. What's happened? Let's ask some questions about it. Oh, that person did not have any billing last week. They must be on vacation. Let's check and make sure what's going on. It allows a very quick way of being able to identify what we've got and break it down. Now, a lot of things involve and affect numbers: the geography, the practice area, how many new clients are coming into that practice. All those things are going to make a big difference. So the scoreboard should not be a way to think of it as being like a grade on who you are as an attorney or who you are as a case manager or a member of our team of any sort. But it should give you a chance to be able to say, like, yes, I'm doing a great job. I'm killing it. This is exactly where I want to be. I'm reaching my goals. I'm going to make bonus based on this. All of those things are important pieces that we're trying to put together to make sure that you understand and you never have to wonder, like I did, am I doing a great job? Am I meeting my expectations? Am I failing in some way? The scoreboard helps that, and it's something we can celebrate and kind of joke around with and make it a part of the DNA of who we are at King Law.